Doing a video on '07 Mercury Mariner Hybrid. The auxiliary coolant recirculatory pump. Okay, so try and explain this. If you look down in here, I don't know if we're going to be able to see it, but way the hell down there. You see that? Right there. There it is. You see it? So you've got, get this to focus. You've got two lines. See them? One comes up and one goes over. So that's your recirculatory pump. That black piece is a rubber mount, okay? And then the end there is, get this to focus. That's your plug, if I can get in here. See it? There it is. So what you have to do is you have to remove your splash guard on the driver's side, okay, which is a lot of fun. And you're going to need to get two clamps for those hoses, because those hoses, you don't have to drain the cooling system, right? So you get two hose clamps on those hoses. It's a real bear, it's a tight fit. And then you got to get the hose clamp device on there, whatever you're going to use to remove those clamps. You got two 10mm bolts, and there's one on top. If you're underneath, there's one on top of the pump, and there's one on the bottom. They're pretty easy on the bottom, but the top one is you have to feel to reach it. So undo your electrical line first, do your electrical plug, undo your top bolt on your pump first, which is 10mm, undo the bottom bolt, and then put on your hose clamps so you can clamp off the hoses so they don't drain the antifreeze when you disconnect the pump. I didn't get your clamps off, you know how to take off a hose. So it's a lot of frustration because it's really cramped. Okay, just take your time, you'll be able to get it done. Now here's the deal. My pump worked. However, when the car was stopped and it'd go in electrical vehicle mode, the heat would be gone in like a minute. Okay, not even 45 seconds, no heat. Vehicle's in on position. It's kicked in electrical vehicle mode. It's cold out. No heat in the cabin unless the gas engine's running, right? So tested the circuit to the pump. It was good. Checked the fuses. It's good. Pump's good. So listen to what I'm telling you. The pump was spinning, but not enough, high enough revolutions to circulate the fluid. So just bought another pump, put it in, and I figured, what have I got to lose? Was a long shot, and that wound up being the case. So old pump's in the garbage can. I put 12 volts to it, and it runs. And you can hear it rattle a little bit, but it's running dry. So that doesn't really mean anything, because you can run a dry pump and they can be a little noisy until they're under load and have liquid flowing through them. So just a heads up, if you have no heat in your hybrid, there's a little recirculatory pump on this '07 Mercury that's applied to the Escapes in those model years that are equivalent. Replace that recirculatory pump, and hopefully that'll help you out so you can get your heat back and stay warm when you kick into electrical vehicle mode. All right, hopefully that helps somebody out. Over now.